Promissory notes are powerful financial tools that can make or break business deals and personal loans. But what exactly are they, and why should you care? A promissory note is a legally binding document that outlines a borrower's promise to repay a specific amount of money to a lender under agreed-upon terms. It's essentially a formal IOU that carries the weight of law. These notes typically include crucial details such as the names of the parties involved, the amount borrowed, repayment terms, interest rates, and consequences of default. While they can be as simple as a handwritten note on a napkin, promissory notes must meet basic contract law requirements to be valid. Promissory notes are used in various scenarios. You'll find them in personal loans between friends or family members, real estate transactions, student loan agreements, and corporate borrowing. They offer a flexible way to obtain funds without the complexities of traditional bank loans. There are several types of promissory notes, each serving different purposes. Secured notes are backed by collateral, while unsecured notes rely solely on the borrower's promise to repay. Convertible notes allow for the conversion of debt to equity under certain conditions, which is particularly popular in startup financing. The importance of promissory notes lies in their ability to protect both lenders and borrowers. They provide clear terms and legal recourse if things go wrong. For businesses, promissory notes can be an attractive alternative to giving up equity or going through the expense of a full securities offering. However, it's crucial to be aware of the risks associated with promissory notes, particularly when they're marketed as investments. Fraudulent schemes often use promissory notes as bait, promising unrealistic returns or lacking proper registration. Always verify the legitimacy of a promissory note with regulatory bodies before investing. When considering whether to use a promissory note, weigh the pros and cons carefully. They can be beneficial if you want to keep debt in your business's name rather than your personal credit, or if you need to clarify when founders can withdraw loaned money. On the flip side, unsecured loans often carry higher interest rates, and promissory notes may not be suitable for businesses without steady cash flow. Promissory notes can take various forms. For example, you might see a $10,000 loan with 5% interest repayable at $250 per month, or a $50,000 loan convertible to a 10% equity stake, or if not repaid within 3 years. Be cautious of common mistakes when creating promissory notes. These include omitting necessary terms, failing to ensure adequate cash flow for repayments, or violating existing debt covenants. It's also crucial to protect your personal assets in case of default and to avoid soliciting funds in ways that violate securities laws. If a borrower defaults on a promissory note, lenders have several options for enforcement. These range from issuing formal demand letters and negotiating settlements to filing lawsuits and potentially garnishing wages or seizing assets. Given the legal complexities surrounding promissory notes, it's always wise to consult with an attorney. They can ensure your promissory note complies with state laws, includes all necessary provisions, and adequately protects your interests. Promissory notes are powerful financial instruments that, when used correctly, can facilitate smooth transactions and protect all parties involved. By understanding their structure, uses, and potential pitfalls, you can leverage promissory notes effectively in your personal or business financial dealings.